There's blood, there's sweat, and we're waiting on tears.
We decided to do something a bit arty this year, promoting the positive, getting people out there, getting people together, getting people to work together in a creative and, you know, fun kind of way.
We have to go around to primary schools to do presentations, to get ideas from the kids themselves about positivity in the area, because we're sick to death of people slating our area and judging us as well.
I was here yesterday, started off yesterday and started painting and painted the butterfly and then just helped out with everything else that had to be done. But we're hoping now the day will go well.
I think it's, in a sense, it's not really even so much about today, it's about all the work and effort that went in today and that's gone on for the last couple of years. Everything that Aisling has done, what she's achieved here has been absolutely extraordinary. So she's really gotten people engaged, she's got them involved, they've really delivered on something very, very special. And I think this is the crowning of it today.
It's about empowerment. It's about empowering leaders in our community through the medium of arts and sport. And I suppose the future of our areas is very much dependent on the young people. And in developing leadership in the young people, it means that young people can then become leaders within their own communities themselves and can provide role models in the community for the children in the area. And that's, I suppose, essentially what we're trying to do through a programme like the CLASP programme. 5 local schools have been working with us. We did some workshops with second, third and fourth classes from most schools, and they designed a logo to represent the positive aspects of the community, and we put those 5 logos out there on Facebook and in local shop fronts, and the people of the community were then asked to vote for their favourite, and the winning image was chosen to become the image that we create today. And the winning image was a butterfly, which was lovely because it's kind of a symbol of positivity and change and growth as well, so it really worked for the whole idea.
I'm hoping that the weather will hold out. We have about 600 kids on the way up over, hoping that they'll all fit inside the butterfly as well.
There's great credit due to them for showing this bit of initiative, right, and imagination, you know, and great credit to the kids as well of the area, you know, for coming down and taking part.
We are looking at some young people out there who will be the leaders of this community and of the Limerick community in the future. And this is a very, very important part of that whole project and that whole, I suppose, leadership, promotion and development of these young people. This is a very exciting project. Certainly it's bringing sport and art together to produce leaders for the future, and this particular programme here is very, very impressive, and it's very much part of the regeneration of Limerick.
I absolutely love my job. You are a complete inspiration to your communities. You are an unbelievable group of people. Your energy, your youth, your ability to have such fun and to see things differently will always, always, always remain strong with me. Today is more than just creating a human image. Today marks a powerful message of the people of this community can do together.